I'm like that backwood, better act good or get smacked good. I'm just trying to live life, I'm just trying to get right. Anybody got advice?
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with your favorite series, the beater box series. This beater box comes to us as always from Supremacy. If you guys haven't checked out Supremacy yet, I would definitely check them out in the description below. Unfortunately though, you guys won't be able to buy the beater boxes on the website. You actually need a membership. They will be dropping memberships soon, I think. Yeah, this box today though is $1,050. I think it's the first $1,000 beater box that I've had in kind of a while now. It's been like maybe a couple months or so. I've been trying to stay away from like the $1,000 to $1,200 to $1,300 range just because the boxes have not been very good recently. I'm not sure what's going on, but it just hasn't had that same like factor, hype factor, I don't know what it is. Yeah, it just hasn't seen that same production like it was last year. I'm not sure what's going on. It could just be inventory issues, but that's just a feeling I get. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's get into this. $1,050. Excuse me, I retract my statement. It's $1,050 plus the $100 shipping, so $1,150. Crazy expensive shipping, so yeah, it's $100. Sucks, but there actually still is pretty good value. Let's check it out. All right, let's see what we got. First impressions are, oof. I can't tell. I can't tell. The two top boxes don't look very good though. Whoa, this is heavy. So this is an Air Force One Low Premium in a size 11.5. Oof, I have no idea what this is. It kind of has infrared vibes. I'm not really a big Air Force One guy, so yeah, I have no idea. But I mean, it does have that infrared look. See that? It's not a bad shoe. It's pretty clean. Makes me wonder if this is actually worth anything. You guys can actually check it out on the counter over here though. That counter is supposed to show you guys competitive market pricing. So that's what these shoes are selling for like right now as a median on eBay, GOAT, StockX, all of those places. So it's a good indication of what you could probably sell this for on the market. The whole premise behind a beater box is that you want to be able to sell these shoes because you're not going to get all your sizes and stuff and whatever. So it's made to be resold. It's made to try to make profit on the box. So let's take a look at what else we got. Okay, see, it's another box that I'm not really quite big on. This one is a D Lillard 2. In a size 7.5, that's horrible size. Oh, shoot, okay. Well, like I said, I have no idea about Dames. This looks, nope, it's not dead stock either. The bottoms just aren't very dirtied up at all. Maroon, burgundy, I'm not too sure, something like that. Dames actually don't look that bad though. It feels pretty solid. It kind of reminds me of like a Jordan 15 in terms of the shape up here. I'm not too sure if you guys like noticed that too, it's weird. But yeah, 7.5 Dame. I don't think it goes for a lot of money. The size definitely isn't that great either, so. All right, so we'll take out this white box next. This looks like a Foamposite. Yep, it's a Foamposite box in a size 6Y. All right. Man, he's got these cotton candy vibes going on. Interesting. But yeah, size 6Y. Not too beat. You can see the shoe itself is pretty clean actually. Check that out. Bottom's a little bit dirtied up, but that's not too bad. I'm not really sure what the market is on these Foamposites, but it's not a bad shoe. It looks pretty clean. This one, okay, this looks like a CNY. Okay, right on, it is. 7 UK. Anytime you see the sticker, it's a good indication that it's probably gonna be a dead stock shoe. I hope it is. This box is really nice too. All right, so it is the dead stock Chinese New Year's CNYs. This is the 3.0 version. The shoe is actually not too bad, man. I kind of like it. I gotta check the pricing on these though. I haven't really checked recently. I know the 1.0s go for a lot of money. 3s, I'm not too sure if this was very popular. For me, I really like it though. And yeah, I think that would be pretty good value over here on the counter, but I don't know until all is said and done. You guys get an early look at it though. 7 UK, I'm pretty sure that's a 7.5. That's not a good size. Ugh. A lot of 7.5s. A lot of 7.5s. All right, so next box out, we got an Air Foamposite Pro. This is in a size 8, so it's a small foot kind of day, isn't it? All right, so these Foamposites look like the Aquas. Yeah, these don't go for a lot of money either, especially when they're not dead stock, a little bit used. Foamposites, because their retail price point is so high, usually almost all of them have like pretty decent resale value just because you're gonna make like at least 100 something bucks because the shoe itself costs like upper 100s, you know? So even used, it's still probably worth at least 100 bucks, so that's a good thing. Okay, we got 4 shoes left. It's a lot of shoes in this box. Okay, another not so good size. 7Y, youth size, Jordan 12 BG. Oh, but this is a good shoe. This is the Masters, so Master 12. That's not bad at all, man. That's pretty good. And I don't think it's dead stock. It looks pretty darn close to it though. You can see those bottoms. That's like really clean. Masters go for a lot of money. It's actually one of the best colorways in the 12s, I think. Functional, easy to match with a lot of stuff. So we got a half box here, it looks like. And these are the old school New Loves. So this is the 8.5. And this is from the pack. They recently, oh. So yeah, they recently redid these in 2017. I'm not sure if there's any value on these anymore because of the 2017s, but before, man, these were like really dope shoes. I really like this colorway. I'm not sure why. Always been a fan of like that black and yellow kind of look, so that's cool. Would have been nice if it came as the pack at least, but I guess it's asking for too much. All right, so we got 2 shoes left. This one is a size 8 Yeezy Boost 350. Oh shoot, okay, well at least this is dead stock. It's a size 8 dead stock Zebra. That's a good chunk of money back on the box at least. I think that's probably about half. I think these go for about 5 something right now, so that's a good shoe. Really glad it's in dead stock condition, makes it easy to move. Size is not the greatest, but still has a lot of value there. So Yeezy Zebra V2 dead stock. All right, so we got one more shoe like I said. This one looks like a Jordan 11. I'm guessing it's not dead stock. This is a size 10. All right, definitely not dead stock. Definitely not. So these are the Legend Blue 11s. You can see right here, that is a huge scuff. I don't know if you guys can see, white doesn't really play well in this camera, but there's a big scuff right there. Other than that though, the shape feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like it's super worn down. Bottoms obviously are dirtied up, but the shape and stuff is not bad. And you can see there's not too much creasing on the patent leather right here, which is a good sign. These go for a good amount of money. I would say maybe like 160, somewhere around there. I don't know, I gotta check. So total we got like 9 shoes. What do you guys think? Was it a good box or was it not a good box? I mean, we got the dead stock CNY, that's good. We got the dead stock Zebra, so that's not bad. Legend Blue, good shoe, good shoe. And then a whole bunch of Jordans and that one Air Force and a Dame Lil. I actually think this box looks like it's gonna be a very profitable box. Fingers crossed, I'm hoping so, because like I said, it's been kind of a downward trend for beater boxes right now. Really hoping that something ignites and I can like justify buying these things, because if I had my way, man, I think I would only buy hype boxes just because, man, the hype boxes are so much fun. But beater boxes have been my bread and butter for a really long time. Still love the fact that they're all sneakers. Still love the fact that it's just really unique. I don't think any other shop does beater boxes the way that Soul Supremacy does it. So all of these shoes will be put up on the web store eventually. Sorry, it does take me a little bit of time to take all the pictures and stuff. YouTube is not my full-time job, so it will take a minute, but I promise it will get up there. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching another beater box episode with Untied Hawaii. Till next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I'll see you guys. Aloha. Shoots!